Hey guys, in this video, I'm about to show you how to delete your extension from Mises browser. Okay, so let's get started. So here's the interface. I'll be coming over to here. All right, that is where I'll come over and click on it. Start clicking on it. You come over to your where you have the extension over here. That is where you come over. You come over to where you have the extension over here. You click on it to take it to a different interface. So let's zoom in a little bit. So you see, these are the various extensions that we have. These are all the extensions that have been saved in my phone. Okay, these are the project that I'm currently doing. So I want to just delete one of them and show you how it works. So whenever you see this, so you click on, let's say I want to delete, let's say I want to delete one from here. Okay, let's say I want to delete grass. Let's say if I want to delete grass, I want to delete this grass. So I'll be clicking over to this remove and it will be removed automatically. All right. So I'll click on remove. You can see that it has been removed automatically. It is no more displaying here. If you scroll over down here, you can see that I can't find it anymore. Okay. So that is how you delete your extension. And meanwhile, if you want to just hide your extension from displaying over here, there's a way you can hide your extension even if you don't want to delete it. You just want to hide your extension. You just have to come over here, click there, you just turn it on. You can either turn it on or turn it off. Okay, right now you can see that if I turn this on now, the app will still be showing in my phone. It will still be showing in my dashboard. Okay, so when I navigate here, I've turned this on now. All right, now since I've turned this on now, if you come over here, if you come over to this section over here, if you come over there now, you can see that we have down validator. If you scroll over here now, you can see that there is still down validator right here staring at you. There is still down validator here staring at us. Okay, now let me go and turn it off and show you how it works like. Let me just go back to, let me just go back here and turn it off and just show you that you can easily turn it off. Go down, go to your extensions. Now this is your down validator. Okay, this is your down validator. Now let me turn it off. If I navigate over here, if I switch off this thing here, it is not going to show in my dashboard again. All right, so if I switch it over here, if I turn it off, and let's go back now and show you how what I'm talking about. Sorry, let's go back to where we have this NuGet, and let me show you what I'm talking about. You can see now that the down validator is no more here because I've turned it off. All right, that's another way of turning it off without you deleting it. But if you want to delete it, just come over here. If you want to delete any app, just head over to that same place. Click over this remove, and you can remove it automatically, just as I've showed you in the first part. Okay, now if you have any question, drop it at the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you find this video very useful. See you in the next video.